Our drivetrain consists of a converted gas outboard. We fabricated an upper unit, which connects through a coupler to the outboard shaft. To allow for different motors in endurance and sprint, the top plate and motor are interchangeable. The motor itself can be removed, while the sensors, coupling, and outboard remain. To test our drivetrain on land, we built a testing rig which allows us to simulate the load conditions of the drivetrain in the water. We use a variety of propellers depending on the conditions.